Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with an update on what's going to be a stormy few days across the ArkLaTex. As we begin with a look at the current pattern, we have a broad trough here across the Rockies. The southwesterly flow going to bring several of these minor disturbances within it, and that's what's going to give us the occasional round of thunderstorms across the ArkLaTex, the first of which will arrive very late tonight into Thursday morning. As far as severe weather, it is going to be possible. You can see the green area, which covers all of the ArkLaTex according to the Storm Prediction Center. That's a level 1 marginal risk, meaning any severe weather will be isolated. I'll talk about where the storms will be strongest here in a second. And then looking ahead to Friday, as of right now, SPC does not have anything as far as a risk in our area, but the high-res models have been indicating that we could see a pretty good cluster of thunderstorms develop across the northern sections of the ArkLaTex that moves through the area late Thursday night and Friday. I think this too will bring us at least some marginal isolated risk for severe weather even on Friday, and then we'll take a pause and then more scattered activity possible as we go into the weekend. So most of the rain probably going to fall tomorrow and Friday. Here's a look at Robbins Toyota Futurecast, and you can see that as we go through the nighttime hours tonight, we'll see this first cluster of thunderstorms move into the area. Now, good news here is that most of the high-res models, including Futurecast, keeping the stronger thunderstorms and the heavier rains to the south of the ArkLaTex, as you can clearly see here. If we're going to have any severe weather tonight, tomorrow morning, it will be over the southwestern quarter of the area where this cluster arrives a bit sooner. As we go through the rest of Thursday, the rain pretty much wraps up during the morning. We'll take a bit of a pause, and then you can see Friday or Thursday night, another cluster of storms develops over the northern sections of the area very late Thursday night, and that activity will move southward into the rest of the area during the morning and afternoon hours, and it too, I think, will bring at least some risk of some gusty winds, as well as maybe a little bit of hail with some of these thunderstorms. And of course, when you add up all the rain from these two systems, we're going to be looking at quite a bit here across the region. Notice we'll take a pause late Friday night, and then heading into Saturday, more scattered thunderstorms could arrive from the west. The biggest concern probably going to be the potential for some very heavy rain. The very latest run of Futurecast shows at least an inch for all of the area. Notice the yellow, that's 2 inches. So most of the area will see at least 2 inches, and we could have these areas, these more scattered to isolated areas, where 3 to 6 inches of rain will be possible. Futurecast kind of highlighting the area here of northeast Texas. Other models a little bit further to the south and parts of East Texas, deep East Texas, south of Interstate 20. So somewhere here across the western half of the area, we're going to see quite a bit of rain, which obviously could aggravate area lakes. And keep in mind, this does not include the additional rain that we could receive across the ArkLaTex this weekend. So I would expect to see at least 2 inches, but don't be surprised if it is possible anywhere in the ArkLaTex to see totals in that 3 to 6 inch range before it's all said and done. Now, as far as the longer range, let's take a look at the longer range version of Futurecast heading into Saturday. Notice it does show some scattered showers and thunderstorms developing during the afternoon. The way it looks right now, doesn't look quite as heavy as we will see tomorrow and Friday, and then we'll see again more rain Sunday morning off to the west of us. This will move across the region late Sunday and Sunday night, with again some thunder probably associated with that as well. So your forecast for tonight: expect clouds to return, thunderstorms move in from the west late tonight. Temperatures will fall into the mid to upper 60s, including 69 degrees in Shreveport and 67 degrees in Texarkana. Tomorrow, thunderstorms roll across the area mainly during the morning. And we'll see temperatures, because of the clouds, they'll be much cooler tomorrow. Mid to upper 70s, maybe a few low 80s for daytime highs. 80 in Manny, 78 in Shreveport, 76 degrees for the high in Texarkana. Again, strong storms likely again Friday. We'll see more scattered activity Saturday and Sunday, as temperatures this weekend will be in the low to middle 80s. And then we'll shut off the rain as we go into next week, with daytime highs heating up into the low 90s, lows back up into the 70s. Chance for that scattered shower or thunderstorm could return late next week. So get ready for lots of rain both tomorrow and Friday, with scattered storms possible this weekend. Several inches of rain possible as well as a possibility for a few strong storms both tomorrow and then again on Friday.